We know watches.
We know what makes them tick.
We know what makes them sleek.
We know what makes them sexy.
We know what makes them desirable.
In a world where watch industry design seems to copy each other, imagine these scenarios.
It doesn't matter what you do or where you're from. Everyone can design their own premium watch.
With up to 1200 DPI precision, your design and art will be super sharp on the front face.
But your creativity does not just stop at the front face. It's every part of the watch, from the types of strap to the buckle, case back, and even the packaging.
How do we do this? Well, with combining patented technology from Japan and quality workmanship, we make sure that every watch is of the highest quality. We are so sure that we will even give you a 10 years warranty. Luxury watches are overpriced and off-the-shelf designs are boring. We are giving you the opportunity to not only be your very own designer, but to customize virtually every part of your very own premium watch, right down to the thank you card.
So what are you waiting for? Let's bring creativity to your wrist.